Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today we diving into a topic I get asked about all the time: how to make money online as a teenager. Forget waiting for your next birthday to get a job. The internet is full of opportunities you can start right now from your own room. Let's get into it. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and be super careful online. Okay, let's go. First up, one of the easiest ways to start is by using your existing skills. Are you a grammar nerd? Offer proofreading services for blogs or essays. A wizard with Canva or Photoshop. Design logos, social media posts, or YouTube thumbnails for small businesses. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to create a profile and list your services. Start with a low price to build up your reviews and portfolio, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can start getting clients. It's all about finding what you're good at and marketing it. Next, let's talk about the creator economy. If you love gaming, why not stream on Twitch or create highlight reels for YouTube? If you're passionate about a hobby, whether it's baking, skateboarding, or coding, start a blog, a TikTok account, or a YouTube channel about it. It takes time to build an audience, but once you do, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, where you get a commission for recommending products you love. The key is consistency and being authentic. Just be yourself and share what you're passionate about. Another awesome option is online surveys and micro-task websites. Now, these won't make you rich overnight, but sites like Swagbucks or Amazon Mechanical Turk can be a solid way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. You can do it while watching TV or waiting for the bus. It's perfect for those moments when you have 10 or 15 minutes free. The earnings add up over time, and it's a super low-effort way to get started with making money online. Have an eye for fashion or cool vintage stuff? Try online reselling. You can go to thrift stores, find undervalued items like brand name clothes or retro video games, and then sell them for a profit on platforms like Depop, Poshmark, or eBay. This is basically your own little online business. You'll learn about pricing, photography, customer service, and shipping. It's a fantastic way to develop real-world business skills while making some cash. Plus, it's a lot of fun hunting for those hidden gems. Finally, think about tutoring or teaching a skill. If you're amazing at math or play the guitar like a rock star, there are people online willing to pay to learn from you. You can use platforms that connect tutors with students, or you could even advertise your services locally on social media groups. You can set your own hours, your own rates, and help someone else succeed. It's incredibly rewarding. The most important thing is to just start. Pick one idea from this list that sounds exciting and give it a try. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works for you. The online world is huge, and your age is an advantage, not a limitation. You've grown up with this stuff. That's all for today's episode on the Babalian Money Show. I hope this gave you some practical ideas to get started on your money-making journey. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And if you want more tips on money, business, and finance, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.